Instagram and YouTube just dropped some massive updates that could literally boost your reach this week. And you probably missed some of them, so here are the top 5 that you need to know about and use right now, why they matter, and exactly what you need to do next. Then I'll run through some smaller updates platform by platform so you're fully caught up for the month of August. This is your monthly State of Social, and in case you missed it, press brief for busy creators and business owners just like you. So hit subscribe if you don't want to miss next month's breakdown. Starting out with number 1, Instagram reposts. So Instagram just added reposts straight to the main feed, and you're gonna see a new repost tab on your profile. But here's the kicker. If someone reposts your content, you can land in their followers' feeds even if those people don't follow you. That's literally free reach. So here's what to do. This week, I need you to make content that is stupidly shareable. Think skits, memes, tactical tips, or bite-sized action steps. And here's a trick. Literally ask people to repost. Either drop a CTA in the caption of your post or at the very end of your video. But again, only after you've delivered something valuable. Number 2, YouTube collaborations. YouTube now lets you tag collaborators on videos. That means your video can get recommended to their audience too. So here's what to do. Book one collab this month with a channel that your audience already watches. But here's the catch. Your collab won't show up on their home feed on their YouTube channel, but it will show up in their audience's subscription tab because they are subscribed to the person you're collabing with. Number 3, Instagram analytics got a massive upgrade. So Instagram just leveled up analytics for their Reels and carousels. And on Reels specifically, you can now see retention graphs, and you can also see skip rate for the first 3 seconds of a video. And you can even see the exact moment that people like your content, whether that's a specific slide of your carousel or at whatever second of your reel that someone was watching. Instagram is views first. Your first 3 seconds decide how far your content travels and how much reach you will get. And now you can literally pinpoint what's hitting versus what's falling flat. So here's what you should do. Audit your last 10 reels. Where are people dropping off? Can you rewrite your script and then can you refilm your intros? And audit your last 5 carousels. Which slides specifically of your carousel got likes? Was it the first one? And why did that work? Was it because the hook was super strong? What about the second one? Because what we know about carousels is the second slide is, if not equally, more important than the first slide. Because if your audience does not engage with that first slide, they will be shown the second slide at a later time when they log onto the app as another chance to engage with the post. So that needs to be strong. Was it that second slide? Was it the third one? Was it the fourth, the fifth? However many slides you choose to post, which one got the most likes on it? And that's your signal for what's resonating. And you should double down on either that style or that framework. And one method that I want to give you is what I call the triple hook method. And this is for your reels. Your first line, meaning the first few words out of your mouth, your verbal hook, your screen text, and your visuals all need to match. They need to be bold, fast, and punchy. And your goal should be for your skip rate on your reels to be under 35%. That's a sweet spot for you. And just to give you some context, I actually ran experiments with my own content, and anything, I'm talking reels here, that had a skip rate in the 50 to 60%, it performed okay, but anything that had a skip rate of 30 seconds or lower, it did exponentially well. So this matters. Number 4, Instagram's Edits app. If you actually create inside of the Edits app, not just uploading from CapCut or Premiere or Final Cut Pro or whatever other editing software outside of Edits, you can get a small reach boost. And this has been confirmed by Adam Mosseri. And it also added a safe zone mapping. So you can start adding captions and titles that don't overlap with any of the engagement buttons on the right-hand side of the screen. What should you do next? I would consider making your next 5 reels inside of Edits. Again, I love being a test for yourself. Like, you should always be your best client. And especially with this, like, test your next 5 reels, editing them inside of Edits and see, like, are you getting a reach boost or not? Number 5, YouTube hype. This one's sneaky, but powerful. I'm kind of excited about this one. So YouTube now gives viewers what's called hype points. And once a week, viewers can hype a video that's, again, less than 7 days old from a channel under 500,000 subscribers. And those hype points push your video up a leaderboard, and it can help you get in front of new people and grow faster on YouTube. So what I recommend you do is drop 1 video every week and encourage your audience to hype it. Whether you want to plug that in your community tab, on your IG stories, email list, whatever you got. All right, the big wins are out of the way. Now let's speed run through the smaller updates that you should know about this month, platform by platform. Let's talk about Instagram. you can now link Reels into multi-part series, which is perfect for tutorials or cliffhangers, or if you have, again, a part 1 of something, part 2 or part 3. Screenshots might become a metric. This one is interesting. So what I'd recommend is create screenshot-worthy frames in your Reels, in your static images, and in your carousels. Think of things like checklists or templates that people literally want to screenshot on their phone. Longer captions. Adam Mosseri has confirmed that they don't boost reach. You should use them for clarity, not trying to hack your way of getting more reach. Picture-in-picture playback is being tested. Think of tutorials where people can follow along while watching. DM management on Instagram just got a massive upgrade. There's new filters and new folders, and it makes it way easier for you to manage. Now let's talk about YouTube. Community posts now let you add up to 10 images. Before it was 5. So I would treat these like a carousel case study or any behind the scenes content. And for YouTube Promote, they've now added stronger CTA buttons like book now, get a quote, or contact us, which is perfect if you are a service provider. Let's talk LinkedIn. There's new data that shows higher posting frequency actually increases per post impressions. Now, there's no cap yet, but posting 6 to 10 times per week with a mix of POV content, carousels, quick wins, and case studies proves to be effective. If you struggle with staying consistent, just schedule your content in advance so that way you don't miss a day. Let's talk about Threads. So Threads now auto adds a one of counter. So for example, if you have a thread post that has 2 slides, 3 slides, or even 10 slides, it will now auto label them based on the number of slides you have. Let's talk about X really quick. There's a new view quotes link on your posts, which lets you see what other people are saying about your post when they quote tweet it, which I think is pretty cool. TikTok, this is big. TikTok DMs now support 1-minute long voice notes and up to 9 media attachments, which is great for lead nurturing, but note, you cannot send media in the first message. So just keep that in mind. The other thing about TikTok now caps you at 5 hashtags per post. So please stop spamming. Pick the most specific and relevant tags per video, so be intentional with them. Finally, let's chat about Meta because this got me pumped. So Meta rolled out AI-powered audio translations for videos, and it preserves your tone, and it even matches the lip sync. So toggle it on for your evergreen reels, and this is only available in English and Spanish. So if you make content in English, it can translate it to Spanish. If you make content in Spanish, it can go to English. The other thing that you need to be careful of is that you should label the language in your description and make sure you toggle the AI button on because it will auto-generate this content in an AI. Well, my friend, that's everything that you missed in August. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss September's in case you missed it. And drop a comment. What are you most excited about? Is there an update or a feature that you're going to use in your business? Because I'd love to know where you're at in the comments below. Hope this helped. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.